Hello guys, welcome to Semtech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to buy data from DataKasa platform. Okay, so DataKasa is a platform with the cheapest internet data prices here in Ghana. Okay, you can get a very cheap and affordable and fast internet data at the lowest price. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to buy the data using this platform. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me open my browser and show you guys how to do this. Okay, so first I'll open my browser and go to the platform called the datakasa.net. Okay, so this is the homepage of the platform. Since we already have an account, let's us log in and buy the data. So I'll just click on this login and enter my details, then logged in. Okay, successfully. So in my previous video I show you guys how to add money to your platform and use it to buy the data. Okay, so if you haven't watched it yet, just go and watch it so you can just top up your account. It's very simple and fast. Okay, so now let us buy data. Okay, we have 10 cedis in our account and I will show you guys how to buy the data using this amount you have deposited. You can deposit any amount you want. You can deposit 10 cedi, 20 cedi, 100 cedi, 1,000 cedi, 10,000 cedi to buy data. Okay, if you're a business person, you want to buy big data, then this platform is for you. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's click on buy data. Okay, so important notice: orders to a wrong number or network are non-refundable. This means if you do a mistake and you send the data to someone else, your data is gone. Okay, you have made a wrong transaction and the data is gone. It's non-refundable. So do not place duplicate orders before completion. All user errors are final. So if you do your own mistake and you send the data to someone, it's final. They can't do anything about it. Okay, so now we have 10 cedis in our account. Let's buy the data. Okay, so I'll just choose the network. So I'm buying data for MTN. You can buy data for any network you want, whether Telecel or AirtelTigo or anyone you want. Okay, but in this video I want to use MTN to make the tutorials. Okay, so I'll just click on MTN. Okay, so when we select the network, we need to choose a data plan. Okay, so I'll just click on choose the data plan to select the number of internet data I want. Okay, so if I want 1 gig or 2 gig or 3 gig or 10 gig, I will just select. Okay, so in this video I want to just buy 1 gig for this tutorial. Okay, so 1 gig is 5 cedi, 80 pesos. This is very cheap, unlike the normal internet you buy for MTN. When you go to MTN app, you get 1 gig for almost 12 cedis. Okay, you get 1 gig for almost 12 cedis, but in this platform you get 1 gig for 5 cedis, and it's very affordable. Okay, so now let me enter the number I want to use, or I want to send the data to. Okay, so I want to send the data to this number. I will enter the number over here, then I will click on complete purchase. Okay, so they say confirm your order, network, MTN plan, 1 gig phone. I'm sending the data, or I'm buying the data to this number. So you can buy the data to any number you want. It's not specifically to use your number. Let's say you have a loved one and you want to buy data for your loved ones. You just need to enter your loved one's phone number over here. You select the plan and everything. You click on complete purchase and you click on the confirm button and you buy the data to your loved ones. Okay, so now let me click on confirm button and you can see it's processing. Okay, so everything is successful right now and I have bought the data. You can see it's pending currently. I have bought 1 gig for MTN to this my number, and it's pending currently. Okay, so we will come back later to check if the data is completed and we have received it successfully. Okay, so give us like few minutes to come back. Okay, so we just got a notification that we have received the data. Okay, so let me open my messages and you can see I received the bundle. Okay, so this is how the bundle format is being sent. Okay, the message format is being sent. They say your account has been credited with 1 gig from the Catholic University of Ghana. Yes, okay, which is valid for 90 days. Okay, so this is how the bundle messages are being sent. Okay, currently this is the message format. Okay, so I have received the 1 gig successfully. Let me go to my account and you can see it's completed. Okay, so the 1 gig is completed. I just sent 1 gig, which is just 5 cedis to this number and I've received it successfully. So if this video helped you to buy data from this platform called DataKasa.net, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.